Stuck burner switch. This video is meant to be a representation only. Use caution near the spark electrode tips during operation. A spark discharge may not be permanently harmful, but may cause surprise and temporary pain. The tools required for the procedures shown in this video are a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, or a pair of tweezers. If a burner on your range is continuously clicking, it is likely due to a stuck burner ignition switch. This can usually be resolved quickly and easily by using some basic tools. First, you will need to identify which burner switch is stuck. It is typically the last burner that was used, or look directly behind the burner caps to see which group of burners keep clicking. The stuck switch will be located in this group of burners. Once the burner in question is located, remove the control knob. Use the small screwdriver to manipulate the silver return spring just behind the circlip. If this halts the continuous clicking, replace the control knob. If this does not, then move on to step 2. Use tweezers or needle nose pliers to grab and rotate the silver return spring just behind the circlip. If this stops the continuous clicking, replace the control knob. If this does not, then move on to step 3. This can be done by turning off the range breaker switch in the electrical panel. Then contact our support department at support@frenchranges.com or call 888-222-2930 to schedule a repair visit by a local technician. Please leave us a voicemail if all of our agents are busy assisting other owners. Please note, all gas-fired burners can still be used without power supplied to the range by lighting the burners with a long match or barbecue-style lighter. The thermocouple ignition procedure will still need to be followed in order to keep the burners lit.